Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray total protein kit for blue red method. In the top angle we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name total protein kit for bioret method. Here we can see the short form of kit TP. This is the overall representation of top view. In the front view we can see the product name total protein kit bioret method TP. In the bottom we can see the reference number TP0102. This reagent contains 4 into 40 ml. Then we can see the lot number, then expiry date of this product. One instruction manual inside this kit. This is C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation of this front view. Here we can see the other angles. On the side angle we can see the blank space. On the back we can see for in vitro diagnostic use only. On this side bottom we can see the Mindray brand name, then manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation of this kit. Now I am going to summary. Today we can see Mindray total protein kit bioret method. This kit contains one reagent 4 into 40 ml. Thank you.